Newsflash: an earthquake of magnitude 6.1 has just jolted the Java island in Indonesia. This seismic event occurred on April 27, 2024, and its tremors have been felt across various cities spanning from West Java to Yogyakarta and East Java. In the seismic chronicle of the day, the ground first shook in the early hours, jolting the residents out of their slumber. With a magnitude of 6.1, the earthquake was strong enough to stir a widespread panic, but fortunately, there were no immediate reports of injuries or significant damage. Indonesia, a country located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, is no stranger to earthquakes. This vast archipelagic nation is a hotbed of seismic activity, its geology a complex tapestry woven by the relentless forces of nature. This latest earthquake is but a reminder of the precarious position Indonesia holds on the edge of the tectonic world. The history of Indonesia is punctuated by a series of devastating earthquakes. Who can forget the 2018 earthquake in Sulawesi, or the cataclysmic Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami in 2004? Yet the capital city of Jakarta, despite being in a seismically active region, rarely experiences strong tremors. Today's earthquake on Java Island is a stark reminder of the constant geological forces at play beneath our feet. It serves to underscore the importance of preparedness and resilience in the face of such unpredictable natural phenomena. In summary, the key points to remember about this earthquake are its magnitude, 6.1, and its location, Java Island in Indonesia. Despite the strength of the tremors, there has been no immediate report of injuries or significant damage. This seismic event is yet another addition to the long list of earthquakes experienced by Indonesia, a country situated on the volatile Pacific Ring of Fire. Stay tuned for more updates and information as the situation unfolds and the full impact of this earthquake becomes clear. Until then, remember, the earth beneath us is always in motion.